Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with you guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Emily by Jeremy Zucker and Cuttler. Okay, so for this song, what we're gonna do is we're gonna play it in C major. And if you're not familiar with any of the chords that I'm gonna be using, yeah, check out my chord video. It's in the description. It'll teach you how to hold the chords. Okay, so the intro is basically C, G, F. And how I'm playing it is I'm plucking 5, 4, 3, 2, 6, 4, 3, 2, and then play open 6th string, and then you go to F. And for F, you're playing 6, 5, 4. Sorry, 6, 4, 3. Okay, so C. 6, 4, 3 on F. Alright, and the strumming pattern would be down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay, that's how I'm playing it. So that's the intro / verse. Let's play on and find the chords for the rest of the song. Made an enemy, put your dreams in. Okay, so we have put our demon to rest. So that's A minor, G, C, and then F, okay? And then A minor, G, F, that's na 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 na. G, na 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 na. Swallow my pride and fall in line, and you could just say that everything's fine, and you would know that G, A minor, G, F again. Okay? A minor, G to F twice so far. G, F, that's the third time. Fourth time, but this time it's very calm because that's the part where he goes, Emily. And then we're back to our verse, G. Back to the verse, which was C, G, F. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this song, guys. I think the chords remain the same for the rest of the song. Yep, they do. So yeah, that's it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.